Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you what you can do if even when your scaling is perfect in Premiere Pro, you are still getting black bars on your video. So at the minute, as you can see, if I hover over this video, it has a resolution of 1080p and has been scaled to 200%. Now if we look at our sequence settings, so if we click on the timeline and then go to sequence, then sequence settings, as you can see, the sequence has a resolution of 4K. So mathematically, 200% of a 1080p video should fit perfectly into that resolution. However, we're still getting these black bars on the side. Now the reason for that is if we come back into our sequence settings, the pixel aspect ratio is not set correctly. So far near enough any modern recording, it does not want to be on this, it instead wants to be on square pixels. So if we change it to square pixels and then click OK, as you can see that has now scaled it perfectly. The only time you wouldn't use square pixels is if you had some older footage from an older recording device that didn't do perfectly square pixels. A lot of stuff from the 1980s and 90s did that, but for anything modern nowadays, you want to be on square pixels. So guys, hopefully you found that helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.